Okay, so within Fusion, we can change the camera to be either orthographic or perspective. So we can go over here within camera and we have orthographic, which in this case for the following car will look like this. We can change it to perspective. And we're going to see that car looking like this. But we also have over here a different view, which will be perspective with ortho faces. And by swapping between these two over here, nothing really happens. But take a look over here. If I will just be within perspective, and I'm going to click over here on the left, this will still give me a left perspective view. But if I will change this to perspective with ortho faces, this will actually be the ortho view. So as soon as I'm going to rotate, this will still maintain the view within perspective. But as soon as I'm going to go within a predefined view, either a front, top, or a left view in this case, we're going to see that this will actually go within ortho plan view. So that's really a good feature, because usually when you are working with car models, you will want to go within those isometric views, and this will take you directly to those. So I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.